So do you want to glow before 2025 and you do not even know where to start from? You feel like you've tried a lot of things, but it's not working. You've tried a lot of products, but they are not working. You've tried tips, recommendations, and all that. But guys, do you know that it could really be your skin barrier? It could be that you have a compromised skin barrier, and that is why your skin concern is never ending. Trust me, we all have breakouts once in a while. It is very normal, especially for people with oily acne prone skin. I, for one, I have oily acne prone skin, and I battle with breakouts once in a while. If you can see, I'm even having like a breakout right now. I think I have another one here. It's not there. I don't know. Yes, but I know about this one here because it even kind of hurts. So yes, it's very normal to have breakouts once in a while, but what is not normal is, your skin looking all damaged and rough. Yeah, it's not normal. Please, it's very different if you have hormonal acne or you have hormonal imbalance or something. It's very different. So I'm trying to talk about is if you have a compromised skin barrier. Do you know that most of these issues you are having is because you have a compromised skin barrier? Your skin barrier is not healthy. And if your skin barrier is not healthy, that pimples you are trying to get rid of will not go. In fact, it will be multiplying, it will be increasing. That sunburn, that melasma you are trying to get rid of, it will not go. You have to heal your skin barrier first. A healthy skin barrier, trust me, guys, a healthy skin barrier is like the foundation to a healthy skin. So there are a number of things that can compromise your skin barrier. It could be using all these triple action creams. Trust me, then when I was having these skin issues, I was using Fombate. No, Epidam. Yes, Epidam was my face cream when I didn't know better. I was using Epidam every day, literally every day, hoping that okay, it's going to, heal my skin, but it was literally making it worse. And I'm not saying you can't use them because these creams are like medications actually, because obviously where you can get them from is from the pharmacy. So they are like medications. You are supposed to use them for a short period of time. Do not use them as your everyday cream. So if you are using triple action cream, you could be using physical exfoliants. These are things that might contribute to damaging your skin barriers, stripping off the oil that's supposed to protect your skin. They are stripping it off your skin, and then your skin barrier becomes compromised. So, in essence, the healthier your skin is, the healthier your skin barrier will be, and the less likely you are to experience dryness, breakout, sensitivity, and yes, and the likes. So, basically, today I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how to improve your skin barrier. We're also going to be doing my morning skincare routine with me. Guys, look at my skin. My skin is looking like plump. You know what they'll say you should do like this and this. Yes, I've only washed my face this morning. So this morning is for exfoliating. I want to like exfoliate my skin. And like I said, no physical exfoliants. I use the Skin Logic AHA BHA Gentle Deep Pore Cleanser. So I use this on my face. I just like wet my palms, wet my face, put it on my face for like 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. So that's the only thing that is on my face so far. Yeah, only thing. And then I use my Vaseline on my lips. So let's talk about skincare products that you can incorporate in your routine that would help your skin barrier. First of all, get rid of all those triple action cream, your Fombacte, Tidinil, all those creams. Please get rid of them. You do not need them. Even if you are going to be using them, use it for a short period of time and stop it. Get rid of your physical exfoliants, especially if you have oily acne prone skin. People that have dry skin can actually like escape using physical exfoliants on their skin without having reactions. I've seen people with dry skin that use physical exfoliants and they don't get breakouts from it. Those ones they are lucky. So if you have oily acne prone skin, please get rid of your physical exfoliants. Go and get chemical exfoliants, face wash, toner. Yes, it could be a face wash, it could be a toner. So you want to incorporate chemical exfoliants into your skincare routine. You want to incorporate products that are rich in ceramides. Yes, okay, so first of all, I'm going to go in with my toner. So this is the Dr. Rasha Vitamin C Niacinamide and Brightening Essence Toner. Um, So you want to use collagen rich products on your skin, products like ceramides, yes, on your skin. These products they are going to help you to improve the elasticity of your skin and improve your skin barrier. Trust me, it works like magic. Sometimes you would even notice that once you incorporate all these products on your skin, products that are very, very rich in ceramide, products that would help you to heal your skin barrier. You might not even necessarily even buy products for acne, products for dark spots. Once your skin barrier is healed, you just automatically notice that these skin problems are going. Like your acne is reducing, your skin is becoming more brighter. You just notice it without even necessarily using like a particular product for acne in your skincare routine. So products that you can use that contains collagen, ceramide. We have the face facts. Face facts, in fact, face facts has a whole ceramide range of products. They have the face wash, they have the face cream, they have the serum, the ceramide serum. They even wrote it ceramide barrier fixing serum. Yes, you can use essences. We have the Mixum Bean essence, Cosares essence, Cosares face creams. These face creams are going to help your skin barrier. So next I'm going in with my serum, and for the serum I'm going in with the Skin 1004 Centilla Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule. Yes, so actually I'm using two serum in today's routine. And the rule of thumb if you're using two serums is you should go in first with the serum with a lighter consistency. Yes, because that way the one with lighter consistency is going to, absorb quickly before you use the second, the thicker one. If you use the thicker one, it won't absorb as fast as when you use the lighter one first. So yeah, I'm going to go in with that. So like I said, you want to incorporate products that are rich in ceramides that would improve the elasticity of your skin. Also, you want to use your sunscreen. Do you know that most people that have reoccurring dark spots, reoccurring melasma, reoccurring hyperpigmentation, it's because you do not use your sunscreen. You're not protecting your skin enough from the UV rays of the sun that causes these dark spots, that causes this hyperpigmentation. So you always want to use your sunscreen. You want to add a toner into your skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid as well. Hyaluronic acid is also one very affordable like toner that you can incorporate in your skincare routine and it will get the job done. Dr. Rachel has an hyaluronic acid serum, hyaluronic acid toner like the one I used earlier. You can incorporate them in your routine and they'll get the job done for you, trust me. Sincerely, to get a healthy skin barrier is not even hard. It doesn't require a lot. It doesn't require money. It doesn't require you spending a lot of money on your skincare routine or you doing like 10-step skincare routine. You just need to incorporate products that are rich in collagen, products that will improve the elasticity of your skin. You just need to incorporate it in your skincare routine and get rid of products that are stripping. And trust me, your skin barrier will become LD. Like when I mean LD, I mean very, very LD. Now the next thing I'm going to be using is my face cream, and this is the Skin 101 Centilla Soothing Cream. I got this product actually, they are minis. I got them from Skin 1004. I'm really excited. I love that. So yes, I'm going to be using the cream, the face cream. So it looks like. Also, before I forget, thank God I remember this one. You see all those face creams that you are buying, all those JRI, I guess that's the name, inside one green container like that. All those Cotonou creams are inside all those small, 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 small containers that are using on your face to lighten your face. They are doing you more harm than good. Yes, they are doing you more harm than good. What happened to simple face cream? What happened to face fact? There are lots of nice Korean face cream. and even other nice brands that you can use that would get the work done for you, and you decide to be sticking with all those face cream. The word is enough for the wise. So yes, and the last step in my skincare routine is to use my sunscreen, Atsumogi sunscreen. So I'm going to let that sit on my skin for a while and then blend it in. One thing I like about this sunscreen is that it actually blends, it actually like melts into the skin fast. Yeah.